always have to steal my kisses from you. Always have to steal my kisses from you. I always have to steal my kisses from you.
Yes, it was.
Just a few formalities on this last sailing of the Arahura, so mindful of the bumps, so please hang on. So I just wanted to firstly acknowledge what a special day today is. Saying goodbye to the Arahura is clearly a sad day for the Interislander, and we all love this ship, and are very sad to see it going. This ship has been an outstanding servant to New Zealand, to the Cook Strait, and to Interislander. So we're very sad to see her go. We certainly thank you, all you customers who've supported us over the years. We've had our ups and downs, as we are tonight, and we appreciate your loyalty. So really appreciate that. And we really want to see you back soon on the new ship, Haere. She's up in Singapore getting a spruce up. So just before we cut the cake, I'd just like to have 3 cheers to the ship. So hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Thank you.